Hi, let's talk about Vivos Therapeutics. So it's a medical technology company that engaged in the development and commercializing of treatment alternatives for patients with sleep disorders breathing, such as mild to moderate obstructive sleep apnea, OSAA, and the market cap is currently 87 million. Snowflake analysis shows it has a little bit of future 2 out of 6, valuation 1 out of 6, and financial health 5 out of 6. Revenue already grew by 13%, and it's forecasted to grow over 30% per year. On the risk side, the company is unprofitable, not forecasted to become profitable the next 3 years. Volatile share price, so we see, for example, Vivos shows that it's short-term trending down. They had actually IPO back in December 11th, the highest point were then, so the peak were at around $14 per share, so it decreased by half since that, almost even more. So that's the volatility on the market, especially when there's a not meaningful market cap, which basically simple Wall Street says as a risk, because the less market cap, the more volatile the share is. Latest share price, we see some of the product updates, end of lockup, annual general meeting were in May, end of May, and earnings updates that is leading to the market performance. So actually we see here follow shareholder return at the time, so 90 days minus 31%, 7 day actually positive 17%. This 90 days return, so this is actually not beating the industry and also the market. Long-term price volatility considered as lowest because it doesn't have 5-year volatility relative to the market. Basically it's currently it's short-term downtrending, but we'll see on the fundamentals, is there something in it. So about valuation, simple Wall Street does not have any data on it, but TipRanks has current analyzed price target at $10, so that is meaning 73% upside, and also the 12-month forecast is the same, $10 per share. Market Watch has a little bit better stock price target at $12 per share, lowest 10, average 11. So there's a pretty big potential that it could double. It actually already 51% up by this trading day. And future growth, so for the companies, forecasted annual earning growth 52%. And also the earnings per share growth is forecasted as well as to grow, but it's not forecasted that they might become profitable within 2 years. So this is the longest frame, end of 2023, maybe in 2024, 2025 it is possible. Past performance, so on the earnings side, last year's earning growth decreased by 95%. That is meaning that they had back in 2018 earnings minus 9 million, and currently this is minus 20 million. So the company struggles with on the earnings side, and the company is unprofitable. On the financial health side, we see that they have a little bit of debt, 1.2 million, and equity, which is raising 36 million. Let's check on the cash side, 34 million of the cash. So I think they're doing better if we compare to last year's when they had negative shareholder equity. This movement is, I guess, happening from the putting more shares out. Yes, as I thought, they printed a not so significant of amount, but anyway, they printed some shares out. But with the total sales that are growing, this is not so bad news. Of course, it's better that company buy back the shares out from the market. That will affect very positively on the share price. Balance sheet looks mostly green. There's a little bit red dot on corner, 1.3 million, and they're not paying dividends. Let's keep the management side. I usually don't talk much about management by ownership. Insider transactions. So we see here individuals that have been buying. Last transactions was, I think, last week, $15,000 brought by individual, and not a significant of amount of money, but anyway, insiders are buying. Ownership breakdown. General public is holding 63% of the company, insiders 26%, institutions 10%. And since this is not so long time ago in the market, I think there's not so fresh data on the top shareholder side. But anyway, we see here the Vanguard is here, but unidentified, for example, BlackRock. But there's on the top the individuals. Anyway, let's open quickly the Finviz. So this is getting high volumes by this trading day, 137 million. And actually, if we see here, not even 7, what a joke is this. I'm not sure what sector they are in. So they are in healthcare. But the volatility is pretty insane. So I'm not sure there was the volumes just pumped up. I'm not sure if this is some of the contracts or as here reading the FDA going on. And I wonder if it will go up. They have a product and are reporting revenue. This is a good first step. Buy back, bro, please. I guess starting back to 4.5. FDA approval and not even say 7. So I guess there's some improvement on the FDA side. But anyway, the investing.com summary the stock for long-term investors as a buy. Moving average buy and technical indicators buy. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the future one.